Brothers and sisters, I know it's not easy to live in this kind of environment, and I really want the parents who have attended to understand this, right? To be in this sexualized environment, wherever you look, you find what? Fahisha. Even the billboards, they've objectified women, right? A toothbrush is being sold and you find a half-naked woman. What has the woman got to do with the toothbrush? Everywhere you look, you find what? Dumar or khawan, right? Women who are not dressed appropriately. And we are men, right? It's difficult to roam around in this kind of environment. ما تركت فتنة أضر على أمتي من النساء. As the Prophet ﷺ said, I didn't leave a fitnah more dangerous upon men than what? Than women. And now we send them to the universities. And brothers and sisters, let's be honest, the universities are breeding grounds for kufr, shirk, LGBTQ, fahisha, Friday night.